Okay, hello everybody. We are class. What class are we? 402. Good. Okay, 402. We are doing our volcano today. We have the same things in it as yesterday, and I will let our brilliant students explain to you what they are doing and what you will see. Please go ahead.
We throw lots of newspaper and cardboard. Next, we use glue to cover the newspaper and cardboard. After we shape our volcano, we paint the real color
Mountain.
Then we put a metal can inside the mountain. In the can, we put a baking soda and vinegar and gunpowder. We will light the gunpowder. The fire will pop the vinegar balloon and that will mix with the soda and it will look like lava.
Okay, thank you guys. Good job. Go stand to the side, please. All right, we have to take the top off. That's my new hat. Bang! I scared somebody. Okay, so it's one balloon, not two like the other class yesterday. So the fire should be better, but we never know. Can everybody count from 5?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now, I did tell some of you, if everyone wants to step close, you can come and look and see. Not too close, but you can see how hot it is. Thank you, Simon. You can see how hot. That's close enough. You can see the metal can melted. Don't stand in front of the camera. Move over. The metal can actually melted. It's so hot, and it's boiling the vinegar and the lava. So, a little bit different result. Okay? It's still going. Because some of the vinegar went inside and made it wet, but it will still burn. Now it's done. So, we saw two different ones. Yesterday, yours had more lava. Today's, theirs had bigger fire. And both days, I have red hands. All right, everyone clap your hands. Good job, 402. Excellent. Thank you, everyone. And now we can finally move on. Okay. 409.